Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Monica Basetti. Thanks for watching this video. So this video is Flipkart haul video, but in wedding theme. So recently my friend marriage jarigindi in December month and I've purchased a lot of things. So I'm really excited to show them up. So without any late, let's get started. So the first one is a jewelry set from Jhaveri Pearls. So Jhaveri Pearls brand andiki telse untundi. It's a known brand when it comes to online jewelry shopping. So I got this big Chandbalis and this big Mantika from it. It's a jewelry set and I'm not really sure it suits me because my face is so tiny and this Mantika is so big. So definitely I'll make some use of it, but really not sure what I'm gonna do with this. Maybe like ikkada ila pedtaru kada, so daniki vachinattundi. If I place this in center, it doesn't look good on me, so yeah, but I really love this though. And the earrings ikkadanta like kundan detailing and pearl detailing, like recent times lo pearl detailing is my like favorite thing. I got this for like 450 rupees, which I think totally worth it. Links in the description box lo pedtanu, so make sure you check that. So the next one is this pair of bangles that I got from the brand called Yellow Chimes. Again, this is a affordable brand. I just got this for 260 rupees, but it doesn't look cheap at all. I really like this on me. So yeah, really love the pearl detailing. And Flipkart lo we have like Flipkart assured brands and products that goes through 6 quality checks to get the assurance, so you can totally trust them. And మీరు మీ regional language ni choose చేసుకొని ఈజీగా షాప్ చేసుకోవచ్చు.
You can get minimum 75% off on jewelry sets, bangles and wedding jewelry. Isn't that great?
So moving forward, the next one is this bracelet from Jhaveri Pearls again. Like love this one. It has this kempu sort of vibe, but ikkadanta like kundan filling and the detailing is so good. So meeru simple ethnic wear like kurtas ala simple ethnic wear medki meeru easy ga din pair up chesukochu. It looks so good. It makes a statement and I really love this on my hand though. So yeah, it keeps falling down, but okay, how am I gonna show it? Yeah, I think I love this one. It really makes some difference, and I think I got this for 260 rupees or 300, not sure, I forgot the price, but I'll mention somewhere. You can expect fast delivery, and మీకు ఏమైనా products నచ్చకపోతే you can easily return it. You can have like hassle-free shopping. So yeah, you can go for it and love this one. So the next one and probably the last one in this, not in this haul video, in the jewelry category of this haul video, is this beautiful ring from Jhaveri Pearls. Not to mention about pearl detailing again because I've mentioned 3 times in this video, so yeah, I'm skipping that part. And it's adjustable ring, so me size ki taggattu you can adjust this and flaunt this. So nenu hand ki me veskokapoyina I can just wear this and it covers like entire hand and gives you a nice look. Love this one. So you can find best value products here. I just got this for 200 rupees, which I think totally worth it. That's a nice deal, not to mention. So the last one in this haul video is the dress I'm wearing right now from the brand called W for Women. I got this for 3000 rupees, so which I think again a great buy because to get a kurta set, so this dress comes along with a dupatta and an ankle legging from the W brand. It's like a great steal I would say because W clothing anta koncham pricier side untai. Really love the color and it got embroidery here and over the hands. I'll show you the entire picture later, so I'm just explaining it now. So I wore this for her engagement and I got ready exactly the same way as I did today. I really loved the look and it turned out really good. So yeah, that's about it.
We can get up to 80% off on W brand and I really love the look. That's why it's called India ka fashion capital.
So with that we came to an end, and you know what you should do as usual, like, share and subscribe to my channel please. So I'll be back with another video. So until then, keep smiling, keep rocking and stay safe. Bye bye.